Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to effortlessly healthy styling. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a nourishing hair wax that tames frizz, adds texture, and gives you the perfect hold, all naturally. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and today I'm showing you how to make Control Natural Hair Styling Wax, your new go-to for styling without the toxins. This DIY hair wax is a game changer for your daily routine. It helps tame flyaways, add definition, and gives your hair long-lasting hold without that synthetic junk. At Simply Earth, we make natural DIY simple and fun. Our Simply Earth recipe box delivers all the key ingredients you need each month. Plus, when you subscribe, you'll get a free big bonus box with extra tools and supplies to kickstart your DIY journey. Or you can grab all your ingredients at simplyearth.com. Most store-bought hair waxes are packed with synthetic ingredients and harsh chemicals that can weigh your hair down or irritate your scalp. But when you make it yourself, you know exactly what is in it. Pure, simple ingredients that nourish your hair while keeping it strong and healthy. So put away all distractions, grab your box, and clear your mind, and let's make something awesome together. This is more than just DIY, it's self-care. Here's what you'll need. From your Simply Earth recipe box, 3 tablespoons of solid coconut oil. This helps to moisturize and strengthen your hair. 1 tablespoon of beeswax. This provides hold and smooths frizz. 1/4 teaspoon of cetyl alcohol. This helps emulsify and soften the wax. 21 drops of Good Vibes Essential Oil Blend. This adds a fresh, uplifting scent. From your home, you will need a 2-ounce jar to store your wax. You can grab this one on simplyearth.com. In a double boiler or microwave using short intervals, melt together coconut oil, beeswax, and cetyl alcohol until fully combined, about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the mixture cool slightly. Just before it starts to solidify, then add your Good Vibes Essential Oil Blend and mix well. Pour into your jar and label it, and let it set. This wax doubles as a mustache wax and can also be used at the roots for extra volume. To use, scoop a pea-sized amount, warm it between your fingers, and apply it to your hair. As it cools, it locks your style in place. Perfect for shaping, smoothing, and adding texture. Wow, this wax means business. My hair feels styled but not stiff. I love how lightweight and natural it is. See how easy that was? If I can make this Control Natural hairstyling wax, you can absolutely make it too. When you make this recipe, take a picture and share it on social media with #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our page. Want more easy DIY recipes? Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box and check out these other natural DIY videos coming up next.